Windows are an essential feature of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and a clear view of the outside world. Over time, however, windows can become less efficient, less secure, and less visually appealing. For homeowners in Sumter, South Carolina, knowing when it's time to replace your windows is crucial for maintaining both comfort and energy efficiency. Here are some telltale signs that it might be time for window replacement in your Sumter home. Drafts and air leaks. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is drafts. If you feel cold air entering your home, especially during the winter months, it may indicate that your windows are no longer providing an adequate seal. Drafts not only make your living spaces uncomfortable but also drive up heating costs as your HVAC system works harder to maintain the temperature inside your home. Older windows, particularly those with worn-out seals, may not be able to effectively keep out the outside elements, making replacement an essential step in maintaining energy efficiency. Visible damage to the window frame. Take a close look at your window frames. If you notice cracks, warping, or rot, it's a clear indication that your windows are deteriorating. Moisture can seep into damaged frames, leading to wood rot, mold, and mildew, which can compromise the structural integrity of your windows. In areas like Sumter, where humidity levels can be high, this damage may occur more rapidly. Replacing windows with damaged frames will not only improve the appearance of your home but also prevent further issues like water infiltration and pest infestations. Increased energy bills. If your energy bills have been steadily climbing despite no significant changes in usage, your windows may be to blame. Older, single-pane windows or windows with poor insulation often allow heat to escape in winter and let hot air in during the summer. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime to keep your home comfortable. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient models, you can reduce the strain on your HVAC system and potentially lower your monthly energy bills. Difficulty opening and closing. If your windows are difficult to open, close, or lock, it could be time for a replacement. Windows should function smoothly to provide both convenience and security. Difficulty in operation could indicate issues with the window sashes, frames, or hardware, which can prevent the window from closing properly. Windows that don't close all the way can also leave your home vulnerable to drafts and security risks. If repairs aren't enough to resolve these issues, a complete replacement is the best solution. Condensation between window panes. Condensation between the panes of a double or triple pane window is a sign that the seal has failed. Modern windows are designed with multiple layers of glass that help provide insulation and reduce heat loss. When the seal is compromised, moisture can get trapped between the panes, causing fogging and condensation. Not only does this impact your view and the appearance of the window, but it also reduces its energy efficiency. If this happens, it's a good idea to consider replacing the window to restore both its function and appearance. Excessive noise from outside. Another indication that it's time for window replacement is if you're noticing increased noise from outside. Older windows may not provide sufficient sound insulation, allowing street noise, traffic, or even loud neighbors to disrupt your peace at home. Newer windows, particularly those with multiple panes or special noise-reducing coatings, can significantly improve soundproofing and provide a quieter indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Sometimes, the need for window replacement is simply due to the aging appearance of your windows. Over the years, windows can become worn, discolored, or outdated in style. If your windows no longer complement the aesthetic of your home, a replacement can boost your curb appeal and give your house a fresh, modern look. Whether you're looking to sell or simply want to improve the appearance of your home, new windows can have a significant impact on your home's overall look. Conclusion. Windows play a crucial role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. If you're experiencing any of the issues mentioned above, it may be time to consider replacing your windows. By investing in new, energy-efficient windows, you can improve your home's insulation, reduce your utility costs, and enhance its overall value. Whether you're dealing with drafts, visible damage, or simply outdated style, window replacement in Sumter could be the key to a more comfortable, secure, and beautiful home.